Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI video editor platform, which is Klap. So to get started with a quick review about the Klap platform. Klap in 2025 is a top video editing tool made for creators who want to turn long videos into short, capture clips for TikToks, YouTube Short, and Instagram Reels. It automatically finds the best moment, adds caption in many languages, and making your face or subject centered with a smart framing. The interface is simple and you can customize font, color, and chip length easily. It lets you add a podcast, interviews, and a talking head videos, saving times by quickly creating a multiple shot for a single video. So Clap has a few downside. It only works with a YouTube link for now, which limits the input option. Some users have export can be slow, and especially for long videos, and a strong internet connection is required since it runs in the cloud. It's not a powerful, has the full desktop editors and support responsive, but it can be slow sometimes as well. But if you are looking for a quick and easy way to recreate a short social clip, with a minimal effort, Clap is one of the best options available for you to use in 2025. And let me know in the comment section what you think about these AI video editors and how it can help you spice up your video editing journey. Thanks.